an unpredicted global health and economic crisis. Beyond its medical impact, the pandemic severely disrupted healthcare operation, increased institutional costs, reduced revenues, and strained workforce productivity. So healthcare system were not only responsible for saving lives but also for maintaining operational and financial stability under extreme pressure. So this situation highlighted the importance of healthcare resilience and ability of healthcare institute to prepare for, absorb, adapt to, and recover from the shocks while maintaining essential services. So for the statement of the problem, so number one is, what is the demographic profile of the respondent in terms of age, gender, professional role, and years of experience? So number two, what is the level of health system resilience during the COVID-19 pandemic in terms of absorbing capacity, adaptive capacity, governance and leadership, and financial resilience? So number three is, what is the level of economic outcomes experienced by health system during the COVID-19 pandemics in terms of financial performance, service delivery continuity, workforce productivity, and recovery sustainability? So for number four, is there a significant relationship between healthcare system resilience and economic outcomes during the COVID-19 pandemic? Number five, which specific dimensions of healthcare system resilience significantly relate to economic outcomes? Number six, based on the findings of the study, what evidence-based strategies can be proposed to strengthen health system resilience and improve economic performance during future public health shocks? So for methodology, this study employed a systematic literature review following PRISMA guidelines to examine the relationship between health system resilience and economic outcomes during the COVID-19 pandemic. A comprehensive search was conducted across Scopus, Web of Science, PubMed or Medline, ESB, Cohost, ProQuest, and Google Scholar for studies published between January 2020 and December 2024. Using keyword related to health system resilience, economic outcomes, and COVID-19. Studies were included if they were peer-reviewed, empirical, in English, and focus on healthcare system or organization, while editorial, opinion pieces, and clinical-only studies were excluded. After screening and eligibility assessment, 50 students were selected. Data were extracted using a standardized matrix and findings were synthesized thematically rather than statistically due to heterogeneity in study design and measures. So for description of the Prisma flow diagram. So this figure presents a Prisma 2020 flow diagram illustrating the systematic process used to identify, screen, assess, and include studies in the review of health system resilience and economic outcomes during COVID-19 pandemic. For identification stage, in the identification stage, a total of 1,250 records were retrieved from electronic database while no additional records were identified from registers. Additional search through other methods like websites, organization, and citation searching yielded 190 records. So before screening, 420 duplicate records were removed. Furthermore, 60 records were excluded through automation tools for being ineligible, and 70 records were removed from other reasons. After removal, 700 records were remained for screening. So for screening phase, the 700 records were screened based on the titles and abstracts. During this stage, 480 records were excluded for not meeting the criteria So this left 220 reports sought for retrieval, sorry. Of these, 30 reports were not successfully retrieved, resulting in 190 reports moving forward to the eligibility stage. So for the eligibility phase, a total of 190 full text reports were assessed for eligibility. After full text evaluation, studies that did not meet the predefined inclusion criteria were excluded based on relevant study design and lack of focus on economic or organizational outcomes or insufficient methodological rigor. So for included studies, following the complete treatment process, 50 students were met all inclusion criteria were included in the final systematic review. So for overall interpretation, the Prisma diagram demonstrates a rigorous and transparent selection process and consistent with systematic review standards. Starting from 1,250 database records and additional sources, the structure, screening, and eligibility procedures ultimately resulted in 50 high-quality studies that form the evidence base for examining the relationship between health system resilience and economic outcome during the COVID-19 pandemic. So this structure filtering process strengthening the methodological credibility and transparency and reproducibility of the study. Reproductivity. So for the results and discussion, health system resilience. The findings indicated that healthcare institutions demonstrated a moderate to high level of health system resilience during the COVID-19 pandemic. Respondents composed of experienced healthcare professionals and administrators from diverse institutions provided credible assessment of organizational performance. So among the resilience dimension, adaptive capacity and governance and leadership emerge as particular strong areas. Institution rapidly adjusted policies, adaptive telemedicine, and reorganized service delivery to maintain essential operations. So governance structures provided clear direction, effective coordination, and transparent communication, which strengthens staff morale and institution stability. While absorptive capacity were moderate due to workforce and supply shortage and financial resilience varied depending on availability resources. So overall, results show that the resilience health system were better equipped to sustain operational and response effectively to crisis conditions. For the conclusion, the study concludes that health system resilience significantly influenced the economic outcomes of healthcare organizations during the COVID-19 pandemic. So institutions that exhibited strong governance and leadership, high adaptive capacity, and sound financial preparedness were more capable of maintaining services delivery, managing workforce pressures, and sustaining recovery despite severe economic disruptions. Although many healthcare systems face financial strains and operation challenges, a resilience mechanism enabled them to preserve essential functions and gradually restore stability. So overall, the finding emphasized that investigating in health system resilience is critical not only for the effective crisis response but also for ensuring the long-term economic sustainability of healthcare organization in public health emergencies. Thank you. That's all.